Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Wacker Neuson is a display used in a Mustang ME5001 excavator. This display came to ERD non-operational and completely covered in corrosion. After carefully removing all the corrosion and replacing all the lights, we were able to get the unit to fully function and ready to be reinstalled in the excavator. At ERD, we work on a wide range of construction equipment instrument clusters for many OEM brands including John Deere, Hitachi, Cat, and Komatsu. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.